In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your login and sign in to Claude using the web, CLI, or VS Code extension. When you log in on any of these platforms, you may see a prompt asking you to enter a verification code that was sent to your email or phone. This extra step protects your account, and it only takes a moment. Open your email inbox or your text messages and look for a new message from the Claude or Anthropic team. Inside, you'll find a 6 to 8 digit code. Some codes expire in just a few minutes, so make sure you're using the most recent message. If you have multiple emails or texts, choose the newest one, and when you copy the code, avoid grabbing any extra spaces before or after the digits. Now head back to where you're signing in. On the command line run Claude login, you'll be prompted to enter the verification code, paste the code, and press enter. In Visual Studio Code, open the Claude sidebar, click Login, and paste the code into the prompt there. If you're signing in on the web, use the verification field that appears on the page and submit the code. You should see a confirmation shortly after. When verification succeeds, you'll see a message like Login successful. From here, you can start a CLI session and run your usual commands, use the VS Code integration to chat and work inline, and access your account features. Everything is ready to go once you're verified. If you want to save time next time, the CLI can remember your session locally. After you've logged in successfully, run Claude Save Session. This stores a token on your machine, so you won't have to re-enter codes every time. In VS Code, session storage is automatic, so once you're logged in, you're set for future uses. If something doesn't work, here are quick fixes. If the code expired, request a new one and use it right away. Double check that the email address or phone number on your account is correct and free of typos. Check your spam or junk folder in case the email was filtered. If messages seem delayed, wait a moment and try resending the code, and make sure you paste the full code without any extra characters. Also, never share your verification code with anyone. Treat it like a password, that's it. Follow these steps to verify quickly.